Yoriichi Tsuguguni is the strongest character in the Demon Slayer universe, even stronger than the Demon King Muzan Kibutsuji. When he was just 7 years old, he effortlessly defeated a trained sword instructor. When Yoriichi becomes a Demon Slayer, his speed and strength were unimaginable. One day, Yoriichi encountered the demon progenitor Muzan accompanied by Lady Tamayo. During the fight, he instantly overpowered Muzan and almost killed him, but unfortunately, Muzan managed to escape. It was terrifying for Muzan, and he still has wounds that Yoriichi gave him. Yoriichi is the first Demon Slayer to have the Demon Slayer mark, but still live up to 85 years of age. There's no concrete answer given in the manga as to why, but in our opinion, Yoriichi was immune to the mark's effect because he was born with it naturally, unlike other mark users who had to train to attain it.
Saca, sin mí te preocupas, el mata, saca,